Well, hey, you get your big booty in the way.
Jay. Josiah. How'd you clean that? With the coaster. You like it? Look at your bed. That's your bed. You got that shit for $25.
No, I got this for 19.
How much you pay the bed for? Oh, 15. For everything. This is a full-size ass bed.
Okay, that's her talking really nice in the kid's bed in the room. Good ass size bed. Look at this for
You
a
like your
minute.
bed?
Look at what?
That's
Look it.
not sleeping.
No, shut up. I slept yesterday. Josiah, look.
That's it.
And I feel refreshed.
What's this?
It's Buzz. And look it. These are for you too.
A spider pants.
Spider pants. What do you say? Okay. He's speechless. Shut up. Joey's all amazed. Look at him.
I think Joy's more excited than he is.
No, the drug's wet.
It's not wet.
Uh-oh. Battlestar Galactica. Hit the kid. Hit the kid with the mohawk.
Babe.
Like he knows what I'm saying.
They're going to play Pin-a-Tail in the Mohawk. That's not yours. Don't break it. Oh, wow.
Where's the other one at? Because that one was for him.
At my house. How much are these?
Okay.